Why?
Because
It looks cool.
This is the first monkey we could think of.
plus it was also the first poster you showed us, so.
First poster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Showed us.
Oh, you mean the example I showed you guys?
Yeah, cool.
So basically our choices were just, I don't know, whatever. Let's just do whatever.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty much.
All right. All right, let's go ahead whenever you guys are ready.
Well, maybe. Oh, they live in the canopy layer. Most of orangutans live in the trees, but males are too heavy to travel tree to tree in the canopy, so they go to the ground. They live a mostly isolated life.
What does that mean?
They're usually by themselves most of the time. They live in Malaysia and Indonesia. Orangutans live on the island of Borneo and in the northern corner of the island of Sumatra.
Will you guys show me on the globe there where those countries are?
There's a TV show on Discovery of orangutans.
Really?
Oh,
Malaysia.
You can just show us the area. You don't have to show us exactly which island it is.
Somewhere around here.
Yeah, Sumatra is that long, one of those long ones. So, right in that area. Kind of by the Philippines, yeah. Sumatra was the place where the tsunami hit a few years ago. So, all right, keep going, guys. I like your letters before we go very much further. I like those. Those are cool.
diet. Orangutans are omnivores, but mostly eat fruit.
What are omnivores, Mason?
They eat like they eat like grass and fruit and stuff, but they also eat meat.
Good. So they're both. Excellent.
Fruit is their favorite food. Don't have to leave their tree branches to drink. They eat water that is collected in the holes between branches.
Food web, you have, what, orangutan, seeds, flowers. What is that at the bottom?
Plant bulb.
Oh, plant bulb.
Termites, leaves, birds, bark, bacteria.
I didn't know that for
So what?
Termites is a long word.
What eats the orangutan?
Um,
Did you guys have anything besides the bacteria?
uh,
No? Is there no predators for them? Huh?
humans, yeah.
Humans do? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Except they're endangered, so that's not very smart.
That's true. Huh,
Then
keep going.
niches that they eat, their territories overlap, and there's usually one in the territory. Lifespan is 30 to 45 years in wildlife.
Move to a different tree a lot.
Lifespan is 50 years in capacity in captivity.
Captivity is that word, yeah.
Sleep, they mate in trees. They reproduce.
That's
Where
pretty
are
much
you? Oh, okay.
That's pretty much all they
What do you mean doesn't everything reproduce?
Yeah.
Wasn't that one of the things of life that we talked about? Okay, interesting. All right.
My turn already. They eat fruit to stop the trees from being overpopulated. When they watch fruit eating birds to determine which trees have ripe fruit. Mate with as many females as possible.
Now go back to the first one you had there, Ian. Why would eating fruit help keep the trees overpopulated?
Because they eat the seeds of the fruit.
Yeah, but like we talked about earlier, they don't digest the seeds very well, do they?
Nope.
So what does that do? I mean, it goes right through, right?
Yes.
So I don't know about that one.
That's the thing that I found.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
I found that they eat the fruit.
Did it say something about the trees being overpopulated?
Nope.
Oh, okay. Interesting. All right, keep going, guys.
Physical description. Male 200 or more pounds and 4.5 feet tall. Orangutans are an endangered species. They have 4 long fingers plus an opposable thumb.
Now, I see that. That's pretty awesome. Anna, what is an opposable thumb?
It's where you can like move it around and like grab something.
Well, opposable just means that you can go over your hand. Like our, our thumb can, allows you to grab things.
Mine can't.
A lot of the old monkeys, the old world monkeys they're called, they don't have the opposable thumb like that. That was a big adaptation for these organisms because it allowed them to use tools and do different things. Good.
Thanks.
I like your picture there. That's pretty cool.
Will not reproduce with a female if she has a baby with her.
Very picky.
The orangutan has a large head with a wide mouth area. The largest males have an arm span of about 7.5 feet.
Now, why would having long arms help this organism?
Because they swim from tree to tree in the canopy.
Sure. So they're able to move more efficiently by having longer arms. Good.
Orangutans' hands are very much like ours. Borneo males have large cheek pads while Sumatran males don't.
So are they two different species of orangutans?
Yeah,
Or they
they're
just
just-
have different characteristics or what?
Different.
Yeah, pretty much. And the Sumatran is much rarer than the Borneo.
Really?
Yeah.
So like if on the pictures there, which one would be like a Sumatran male and which one would be like a Borneo male?
That would be a Borneo.
With the cheek, yeah, okay.
That would be Sumatran.
Good. So they have a lot of difference, don't they? I mean, just their face does. Cool. If you guys ever go to the zoo, I think they have both of those in the zoo. When you go to the orangutan exhibit. What's that name?
Orangutans have similar senses to ours, including hearing, sight, smell, taste, and touch.
Cool.
The female is 110 pounds and 3.5 feet tall. Orangutans can grasp things with both their hands and their feet. 96% same genes as humans.
What does that mean?
That is
They're like more like
us.
us.
Basically,
Smart.
Like if they had 4 more percent of our genes, they'd be us.
right. So that means that we're very similar, right? I mean, they have, almost exactly the same DNA as us, with the exception of about 4%. So orangutans are very close. Chimps are really, really close. Chimps are about 98%. So a lot of similarities. Yeah.
So orangutans, would they be eating humans, kind of?
Would they be eating humans? What do you mean, Mason?
Like if people ate orangutans?
Do they eat people? I don't know. You tell me. Do they eat people? I don't think they really
No, I
do.
mean, would like they be eating, if people ate orangutans, would that be like eating a person?
I get
No,
what-
because I get what you mean. Because they're very similar. You mean? No, not quite. I mean, they're not that similar, but they're pretty similar.
We're almost cannibals.
I mean, if you think about like a chimp, especially, if you think about a chimp, if you look at a chimp, they're really similar to people. They don't have hair like on their palms like people don't. I mean, they're on the bottom of their feet. They're similar, but they're still different.
The adult males have large cheek flaps, which get larger as the ape grows. They are mostly covered with long reddish brown hair.
Did you guys find anything out? What are the cheek flaps for?
I think I saw some. It's when they bellow to get someone
And
out of their
dominant male.
territory.
Is it about dominance?
Yeah.
Is that what you found too, Anna? Okay, so the bigger they are, the bigger their cheek flaps get, the more dominant the male is. That makes sense.
And lastly, the orangutans are about 2/3 the size of the gorilla.
Cool.
66%.
Do you guys have any questions about the orangutan for these guys? Harry, did you have a question? I thought you said you did. Maybe you didn't.
Sometimes in the zoo they have cactus.
They have cactus in the zoo?
Yeah.
Cool, man.
If you go to the